That's what I'm looking like out there, dude. Yo, what's up guys? We're in Thailand. Today we're at Thai Wake Park. This is the #1 wake park in the world, I guess. For pros from all over the world come over here to practice wakeboarding and wake surfing. It's quite the facility they got out here, man. Oh shit. Oh shit, man. Sketchy as fuck. All right. But yeah, I guess you can just like rent a little villa here. So these look really nice too if you just want to wake surf all day. That's probably what the pros do. That is crazy looking. But yeah, I'm gonna get a day pass, I think. It's like 1,300 baht, I think. Just gotta get a hit that. I'm not much of a wakeboarder, but we'll see how this goes. The launch is kind of sketchy, dude. I want to see if this guy eats it or not. Shiba. Oh shit, dude. Well, you guys saw me take off fine from here. So I didn't expect this when you hit these the side parts to like turn around. It really yanks the handle from you. So I crashed like right there. I don't know if I got that on film or not, but I just lost the handle, ripped out of my hands. Damn, they make that look so easy, bro. This is more what I look like. Get up. Okay, I can't even do that, never mind. Huh. Well, I just started. This is my second go, so I don't know, maybe by the end of the day, hopefully I can do something like that, you know? Oh, shit. That's what I'm looking like out there, dude. All right, well, I attempted one of those. It looks so much bigger when you're out there versus from here. Fucking ridiculous, bro. I'm gonna do one more, bringing you guys with me. And then I'm gonna get some food, rest for a bit. I have the whole day, I guess, so just chilling out. But yeah. All right, last one. Yeah, my arms are starting to get freaking tired, dude. It's exhausting, especially that corner right there. That doesn't look like it pulls much, but man. Craziness. Fucking out here. Woo! Close. Oh shit. Holy shit, I hit that. just ordered some lunch. Gonna eat this, chill out, get some more sunscreen on. I think I'm fucking cooking, but cheers, my friends. All right, this isn't a food video. I'm just gonna enjoy my lunch and chill out here, dude. Show me some. Hey. It's cool though. They have a golf cart that carries you back. So like if you fall somewhere out there, instead of having to walk all the way back around with your board, opa, you can just just come pick you up and drive you back. Dude, what the fuck, bro? This ate shit so bad. Hopefully my camera caught that, but fuck, this kid I was talking to in line is like, yeah, hit the big one, bro, hit the big one. I'll just do it. He said it's easier. Landed on my face, bruised my whole side, and my fucking head hurts, and then I'm pretty sure I mooned like the entire fucking place. Pants went to my ankles, bro. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna stick to riding around, I think, bro. I'm too tall and too heavy to be out there doing all that, so just keep it simple, dude. Yeah, that's what I need to be doing, bro. I don't know. Just keep it fucking simple, man. All right, I'm tempted to try the big one more time, dude. I just gotta remember, like, as I take off, to keep the board facing upwards. I need to go off just holding one hand and keep the board tilted upwards as I go. And I think I won't eat shit again. We'll see though. Well guys, I attempted it again. I mean, I feel like I almost landed that one. But yeah, dude, just posting up here with the boys, having some brews, wakeboarding all day. Holy, man. See, this exact one fucking was rough, dude. That turn fucking yanks. I don't know if it picked up very well on camera, but that shit, yeah, ripped out of my hands the first time I got to it. Damn, look at this spot, dude. Yo. That's the dude who told me to go off the big jump, dude. He's a homie, but also fuck that guy, dude. Life. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm calling the video here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys had fun. I definitely did. Screaming back there. But yeah, come check this place out. It was. I'll put the total cost right here, down below. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.